Hey there, Mr. Dave. We're doing a spa repair. We're going to try and salvage this thing at least until this spa can be completely rebuilt. It's pretty amazing what happens over time. This thing's 20 years old, so it's been doing its thing, hot cold cycles for a long time. This is a spa that's tied into this big water feature we're doing a tune-up on. We're getting a new coat of paint on it, fixing some of the rust spots and that sort of thing. And so what we have here is these portions of the spa are expanding out and just falling off. And from my talk with my buddy Kirk with Poolscape Unlimited, he says it's the underside, it's inside is the problem. They have, look at that, oh boy, look at that whole big chunk. Yeah, look at that. So it's part of the structure underneath. It's not the Pebbletec so much. And I'm just now opening this up, and it looks like there's really some kind of a material in there that doesn't look like the cement. So something is weird, something's fishy in Denmark. So anyway, we're going to pop this off. We're going to try to make this corner is also delaminated. We're going to try and make that look like a fake rock on that little side there, and the front portion under the step, again, that is coming from the tunnel that goes through this feature, this fake rock feature that I made 20 years ago. And so I'm going to try and figure out ways to get these pieces to go back if I can. And we're going to grind out both sides of the piece that comes off plus the place it needs to go, and try to patch it in there and reset these big chunks. The little ones like this I think are going to be hard to get to fit, but yeah, you never know. We'll see what we can do. But trying to help out the customer, get them down the road for a couple miles until they get the big fix, which will be apparently redoing this whole thing, taking all the pebble off and starting over again, and making sure the substrate underneath it is all good to go. So there you go. Just a little how-tos again on what's going on out here in the fake rock world, the swimming pool world. Hope you're having a good day. www.davehenderson.com for my blogs and links, and davehenderson.podia.com for how-tos, free ones, downloads, a couple of videos too. So check it out and learn something and find out how we do this. So anyway, having a great day. Remember to be thankful and forgiving, and every day if you can, you'll be a happier person. It's a good way to go. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.